We're here at ETG and we're about to show you why they're the #1 supplier of manufacturing software here in Ireland.
Mastercam is the #1 CAD/CAM system in the world. That's not us just saying that, it's fact. We can bring your design or solid model straight into Mastercam to generate the toolpath using the strategies that are built inside Mastercam. From there, we use the Simco simulation software to generate the toolpaths around the machine to make sure that we have no collisions or interferences. From then, once the manufacturing is complete, we can then go into the VeriSurf, bring the VeriSurf into the machine environment, and we're able to do quality inspection at the machine, making sure your part is correct before it's taken away.
Once you have your toolpaths created inside of Mastercam, we can then use the Simco Edit integration to then transfer all your tool data, your workpieces, your geometry, directly from Mastercam into the new editor, Simco Edit 2022. Our new editor includes many new features such as variable watch. With the variable watch, you can track both the initial state and current state of your variables. We also have the benefit of the simulation report. So with syntax checking, any program errors that are found, we can highlight in our report. And obviously then there's the great benefit of the machine simulation add-on. With machine simulation, we can take a 3D model of your machine and then represent that inside of Backplot, to which we can then check for collisions and over travel limits. The great advantage of machine simulation is that it gives you the confidence that your program is error-free, collision-free and out-of-limit loop-free prior to being sent to the physical machine and before you start cutting metal.
So once we have the machine part, we can then take the VeriSurf 3D gauge and we can place it inside the machine. So the beauty of this is that it's portable, so we can place it up onto the table of your machine, and then from here then we can take the VeriSurf arm and we can do a few measurements of your machine part. So here I'm just touching the probe on the inside of the circle, and we can now see the data that's come up on our screen. The beauty of this is now that if we need to make any adjustments, we can make that straight on the machine as the part has not been taken off the table. Ultimately, your inspection and quality control is done at the machine. We are now ready to get that part sent out to the customer.
Mastercam, as I said, is #1 in the world, and we invested into our employees here, so all of our engineers are trained on Mastercam, so we're giving you that local support. We have a training room here in Newbridge where we have 6 PCs set up where we can cover all of the training aspects, from the standard products, mill to mill 5-axis, down to the mill tool simulation software, and also into wire EDM. And one of the things that Mastercam is probably not known for, but is a very good software solution, is for woodworking. At ETG Ireland, we hold your hand from design to validation to manufacturing, right the way through to in-process measurement.